The great thing about myofascial pain is it's actually fairly easy to treat at home. What you can do is you can just use your hands. You could use something like this, maybe like a spoon, or you could use something like this, maybe a foam roller itself, a traditional foam roller, maybe a soccer ball, or if you even wanted to get more targeted, you could use like a tennis ball. So I'm going to show you what you can do. So essentially what you're going to do, you're just going to work through your back, starting from the bottom, work through the muscle bellies. And the muscle bellies are mostly located in the middle of the back and then also slightly into this area. And so all you're doing is you're working through the muscle bellies, seeing what's tender. And once you find a tender spot, you kind of just go there and you just work around on it. You just try and get the muscles moving, try and get it to loosen up a little bit. You can use your hands, as I said, or if you had that spoon or something like this, you could even brush it a little bit. Again, the goal isn't to make it painful. You don't want to push too hard into that spot. You're just trying to get the muscle to loosen up a little bit. The other option that you have, as we talked about, is a foam roller. For a foam roller, you'd need somewhere to lay down. And all you're going to do is you don't want to lay directly on your spine. Not that it's necessarily bad, it's just not going to get to the muscle as much. But you're going to lay on the foam roller and then twist to the side just a little bit so it gets into the muscle belly there. And then you're going to control the amount of weight that you put on the foam roller by using your shoulder and your hip to distribute your weight. So you're going to gently roll up onto that foam roller, roll back down, roll on up, roll back down. This might not be for everyone. Some people will have difficulty getting into that position. Obviously, if that's the case, then you'll want to start out with trying to use your hands, trying to use some type of tool, or possibly even, getting someone else to help you. So again, just rolling on that muscle belly, trying to get it to loosen up.